Read the story. Akhri sheekada. Nina ayay ku saabsan tahay one name of a girl, gabar magaceeda. The smart girl, gabadha smartiga ah oo quruxda badan. The smart girl. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to English with Susman official channel. Read the story. Akhri sheekada. Nina ayay ku saabsan tahay one name of a girl, gabar magaceeda. The smart girl, gabadha smartiga ah oo quruxda badan. The smart girl. Nina is 8 years old. Waxay jirtaa 8 sano. She is a clean girl. Waa gabar nadiif ah. She brushes her teeth every day. Waxa ay cadaysataa ilkaheeda maalin walba. She uses waxay isticmaashaa a toothbrush cadayga ilkaha and toothpaste iyo daawada ilkaha. After brushing, kadib markii ay cadaysato her teeth ilkaheeda, Nina goes waxay aadaa to have inay yeelato a bath qabays. She uses waxay isticmaashaa soap saabuun and scrubs her body waxayna jirkeeda ku xoqdaa with a sponge calalka lagu meerto ama lagu qabaysto. She dries herself with a towel waxay isku qallajisaa shukumaan. Every evening feed walba. Nina polishes waxay baalish garaysataa her shoes kabaheeda. She uses waxay isticmaashaa a brush and shoe polish. Nina combs her hair waxa ay ku shalaysataa timaheeda with a comb shallo. When it grows long, markay timaheeda dhaadheeraadaan ama ay ku baxaan, her mother hooyadeed takes her waxay u wadaa to the papa balbieriga. The papa balbieriga cuts Nina's hair short. Timaheeda ayuu gaabiyaa. The papa cuts Nina's hair short. Timaha Nina ayuu u gaabiyaa ama u yareeyaa. Nina cuts her fingernails waxay isaga jartaa cidiyaheeda with a razor sakiin. She does this every week. Waxay tani samaysaa toddobaad walba. Nina is a clean girl. Nina waa gabar nadiif ah. Improve your pronunciation. Read the story about Nina, the smart girl. Nina is 8 years old. She is a clean girl. She brushes her teeth every day. She uses a toothbrush and toothpaste. After brushing her teeth, Nina goes to have a bath. She uses soap and scrubs her body with a sponge. She dries herself with a towel. Every evening, Nina polishes her shoes. She uses a brush and shoe polish. Nina combs her hair with a comb. When it grows long, her mother takes her to the barber. The barber cuts Nina's hair short. Nina cuts her fingers with a razor. She does this every week. Nina is a clean girl. So what do you do every day? Thanks.